Hey guys, today we're making the famous Indian mint coriander chutney. For most of us, this is just a dip for our poppadoms when we go out for a curry. However, in India, it's spread on sandwiches and used in a huge variety of dishes. So let's start with our raw ingredients. We're using garlic, green chili, ginger, lemon juice, mint, coriander, water, yogurt and some seasoning. We're only using half a clove of garlic because it's raw, so using too much will completely overpower all the other flavors. Then we go right in with the whole green chili. Now, as you guys know, I'm an absolute chili freak, so I'm not going to remove those seeds, but that's completely optional. Then give your coriander a rough chop. Remember, this is all going into a blender, so there's no need to chop too finely. Add about an inch of fresh ginger. The ginger has to be fresh. I've seen people use shop-bought ginger paste, which is fine for some dishes, but for this sauce, the ingredients must be fresh, otherwise it loses its kick. Start adding everything into your blender. The chutney should be a smooth velvety texture and not clumpy at all. I always blend, then check the texture before adding more water, lemon juice or yogurt. Just start by squeezing in the juice from a quarter of a lemon and see if you need more after. Add your mint and a dash of water. As you guys can see, I'm using a NutriBullet. This thing really is amazing and I'd recommend it to everyone. I use it for smoothies and marinades and it's always so fast and so easy to clean. Right, let's get that lid on and give everything an initial blitz. Right, as we can see, we need more moisture in there to get those ingredients moving. So go ahead and add some more water, pop the lid back on and blitz. Perfect, that's starting to come together now. In India, they actually use this chutney like how we use ketchup. It's actually quite addictive. The combination of freshness, chili and tanginess really hits a spot. At this stage, the chutney is almost ready for our yogurt. I'm adding 2 large spoons of Greek yogurt. This helps balance those strong flavors and creates that velvety texture that we want. Right, back on the blender. Right, we can now see everything starting to develop into that delicious, vibrant chutney. And there you have the perfect texture. Right, this is the time to have a taste and add your seasoning. I'm using Garam Marsala and salt. I always add the seasoning at the end after having a taste. Give it a good stir and there you have it. Velvety, vibrant mint coriander chutney. Absolutely fucking delicious.